Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Toncoin using TonKeeper Wallet. So first of all, we are going to open it, and right here in our dashboard, all we need to do is click on buy and sell right here, and we have some options here to follow. Since we want to buy Toncoin, we are going to look for the options here. Here we can see buy ton, and there are some options here for you to buy. Of course, if you do not see the option you like here, you can click on show all and you can see more options. So say we want to use transact to buy ton with our cards or with a bank transfers instantly, we can go ahead and click on transact. It gives us a warning here, of course, that is going to take us to an external app not operated by TonKeeper. So we could select to not show this again, or we could just go ahead and select buy ton, and right here you can see the details for your transaction where you could set your preferences. Now of course the currency is currently in euro. You can select any currency, and after that you are going to also select the payment method such as the separate instant transfer, Visa card, Apple Pay and Google Pay. So in any case, if we select Visa card for example, we are going to see the different transfer fees and how much ton we are going to receive. And then when we are satisfied with those settings, you can go ahead and click on buy now, and you are going to verify your payment and authenticate it. Then you can have your ton coin in TonKeeper wallet. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.